Hi, in this video I want to go over why this is an excellent time for you to become a commercial loan broker. But before I tell you all the reasons why, I want to displace the 3 myths or the 3 objections of why you might not want to get started today to become a commercial loan broker and earn thousands of dollars each month from the comfort of your own home. The number one reason you're probably thinking that it's not a good time to become a commercial loan broker is because you do not have a list of borrowers. And I will show you 3 different sources where you can get lists of people, realtors and mortgage brokers, who are looking for lenders to solve their financial and financing problems that they're dealing with and helping their customers that they see each day. The second reason why you might think it's not a good time to become a commercial loan broker is because you don't have any lenders. And that is even easier. There are more lenders today than at any other time in history, and interest rates are at a record low. So I can show you dozens of lenders that are lending in your hometown or across the nation that can help you get your deals funded quickly. The third reason you're thinking that it might not be a good time is because you don't have any training as a commercial loan broker. Well, I've created a simple 4-week training program called Loan Broker Mastery that will show you how to get started in the comfort of your home with a small investment and without any capital needed to actually lend or fund the deals. My training program, Loan Broker Mastery, is an excellent program that I've been using for years to teach people how to become successful in commercial loan brokering. If you'd like more information, visit my website at loanbrokermastery.com.